Hey, it's Wes from WebForce Media. In today's demo, I'm going to show you how you can easily integrate over 60 different marketing platforms into one intuitive interface and automate the reporting on a daily, weekly, or monthly basis. So let's start off. In today's demo, I'm going to show you three elements. We're going to start off with the integrations. I'm then going to show you dashboards, and then we'll look at the reporting. So on the integrations, we're able to integrate with over 60 different platforms, from analytics to call tracking and SMSs to your e-commerce platforms such as Shopify, WooCommerce, Stripe, to your email campaigns, to your local reviews from Yelp, Trustpilot, Google Business Profile, to your paid ads. All the different paid ad platforms that are currently available to marketers we're able to integrate with and report on. We're able to report at campaign level and at an individual ad level. SEO, including all your major SEO providers like Ahrefs, Google Lighthouse, Majestic, Moz, SEMrush. We also have a built-in site auditor that allows you to report on any errors that your site may have. Then we have a social media integration with all your major social platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Pinterest, YouTube, and Twitter. Now, what we're able to do is we integrate your business into the dashboard solution, and it pulls all the data through an API, so we don't store any of your data, but we're able to then create intuitive dashboards that include multiple platforms in one place. So in this example, you've got Facebook, you've got Twitter. All of this is completely customizable, so we can edit these dashboards in any way, and we can move things around. We can even change the different platforms that we're reporting on in this dashboard. But the nice part is we're able to create this for you in a way that it makes sense, depending on what the business is doing. And then we're able to report on different periods. So if you look, this date range is pulling this year, and we can change it to this quarter, this month, last week, yesterday, today, whichever period you may need. And the nice part is it actually does periodic comparisons. So we're seeing how we're performing this year versus last year, the same period. The other nice part of the interactive dashboards is we're able to pull specific ad campaign performance where you can showcase to your team the amount spent on specific ads and what the sales from those ads have generated. The conversion rates, the click-through rates, the cost per clicks, all of that information is available instantly in the back end of our system. Then you can look at, for example, web traffic, and we can pull all the data with regards to your website and where your traffic is coming from. Again, we can edit these out and change them depending on your business and your use case. Once we've done the integration, the next step is to show you how we can create individual dashboards per integration. So, for example, on analytics, you'll notice that there's multiple dashboards available to you once we do the integration that you can actually use to generate new campaigns, to monitor your current campaigns. If you look at the social media side of things, we're able to pull reports on multiple platforms. And again, we can look at likes, engagement, reach, and post level information. So you can actually see how individual posts are performing on your platforms. Depending on how many integrations we have will depend on the amount of data that you're able to receive. Again, with your ads, you can see different individual ad campaigns. We can look at those campaigns and see how they've performed. But then the next step would be to look at for example, our e-commerce. We can pull WooCommerce and Shopify. And then we can integrate these into monthly, weekly, or daily reports. I'm going to show you a report sample just so you can have a look at what's possible. But this would be an automated report, so we would build it out for you in the beginning, and this would be sent to your team on a schedule based on what your business needs. But then we can actually look at multiple platforms in one report. So we bring all this data into one place so that your team can make the right decisions. Looking at the sample report, you can pull the main dashboard, the integrated dashboard, and then we can pull reports from individual platforms depending on what we have integrated with. So we can see Shopify sales, we can see WooCommerce sales, Facebook ad campaigns, how those campaigns have performed. We can look at individual campaign level or individual ad level. And depending on how many we integrate for the business would depend essentially on how much data we're able to showcase. We can see Stripe transactions that have succeeded, Stripe transactions that have failed, and we can even pull Salesforce data, which is not normally available to entry-level users. There's no limit on the amount of users that we can have on the system, so you can pull your entire team and we can then customize the solution based on what your business needs. So if you're interested and this is something you think that will help your business, click on the link below, schedule a demo with us, and I will integrate your data into our system so that we can actually showcase live what the system can do for your business. Thank you for your time.